it's Tammy with TL Craft and Designs, and today we're going to do something new. I wanted to do some easy shamrock earrings made from stickers, and I went into Walmart and couldn't find any shamrock stickers, but I did find these stickers, and I thought, well, with what's going on with Ukraine right now, and their national flower is the sunflower, I thought, well, maybe I wasn't meant to find the shamrock stickers, and we'll just do something with these. Now, at Walmart, I was lucky enough to find the stickers. They actually have matching. I didn't have to buy two of them. I want to make earrings, and so sometimes you have to buy two sets of the stickers in order to get your earrings to match. But these already had several that were matching, so I only needed to purchase one, and I think it was like 97 cents. So we'll make a couple of earrings out of these stickers today. And this is something new. I've never done it before, so what we're going to try and do is put the stickers on the plastic bottles. This is a 2-liter empty plastic bottle, and I will use the plastic. We'll put the stickers on the plastic and then cut the plastic out, so we'll have something substantial for the earring. And then I'll use a hole punch. This is a real tiny one. Punch a hole in it. We have a couple of jump rings over here and a couple of fishhook earrings. So this is just something new to try. I haven't ever done it before, and we're just going to try and be creative and see what happens. So let's get started. So I'm going to start, I have an X-Acto blade, and I'm going to just cut into my bottle here. And I don't really like working with the X-Acto blade. I haven't done it a lot, so I'm just needed to get a hole going, really, and then I'm going to take over with the scissors. I'm much more comfortable with the scissors than I am with the X-Acto blade. And it's only because I haven't practiced enough with the X-Acto blade. Okay. So I think I'll cut this in strips. I'll start right here where I couldn't really get all the tape off. And I shouldn't need too much because I'm only going to make one set right now. But I could make quite a few sets with these stickers. There we go. There's a strip of plastic. We'll see what happens here. And I think I like this size right here, so I'm going to work with these two stickers. So I'm just going to put one right here on this piece of plastic right here. And that seems to be adhering pretty good. Let me just snip that off right here. And then I'll put the other one on this piece right here. Nice. Okay. And I thought I might go around it with a Sharpie just to kind of give it some definition here. I'm going to try and cut this out. Set that aside and let it dry while I do this one. This would be something fun to do with kids. Like I said, I was looking for shamrock stickers, And I'll keep looking. We'll try that again. We still got a few more days before St. Patrick's Day, so we'll try that in another video if we like how this comes out. Maybe I can still look and find some. Okay. Hopefully that's dry enough to cut around. Gonna just make that a little easier for me to operate with. Flip it over and go from this side. There we go. Oh yeah, that's much easier, just to flip it back and forth while you're cutting. And I don't want these too sharp because they're going to be by my ears, you know, by my neck. So, see what happens. I probably should have done one of these by myself first, and then I could have done the second one with you. Then I would have known how to do it, and I would have known how it would have come out. This whole thing is a learning process for me. Okay, there we go. Not too bad. Clean it up a little bit more. And I'm not sure if I like the outline part. I might have needed a sharper Sharpie for this. You know what, we won't outline the other one and just see which one we like better. So we'll know how to do it going forward. Okay, that looks pretty sturdy. We'll see. Okay. Okay. I think that'll work. It would definitely work for the St. Patrick's Day theme if I can find the shamrock earrings, shamrock stickers. Just something fun for the time being. And when I cut this one out, I'll do the same, except for I'll poke the hole in this side right there. If you're liking what you're seeing in the videos, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and the bell. So this is a very inexpensive project. Just your little empty 2-liter bottle. Kind of nice to be able to recycle something. Okay, I like the way that looks. Let me just clean this up a little bit right here. And a little bit down here. And I'll punch my hole right here. There we go. And we're just going to turn these sideways to split them open. There we go. And close those back up. What do you think? Not too bad. Just a fun little pair of inexpensive earrings. And you just have to make sure you get the hook on facing the right direction, which I did not on this one. So we're just going to fix that real quick. There we go. There we go. Now what do you think? Let me know what you think of this project. And thank you for watching this tutorial. And I hope I can find some shamrock stickers, and we'll try it again with some shamrock stickers.